Hey there, subbies! I'm here to give you some wonderful winter essentials, but before I do, hit the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of these awesome videos that I have to share with each and every one of you. And also check out my Amazon affiliate links in the description box below. I love using my Amazon Basics tripod. It makes filming fast, easy, and fun, and it comes with an adorable carrying case that makes it amazing for vlogging on the go, as well as the Amazon affiliate link for my SanDisk SD cards. They make transferring files from your camera or camcorder to your computer fast, simple, and amazingly quick. I love using both of these together. It's a dream come true for any kind of photographer or videographer. Check them both out in my description box down below for my Amazon affiliate links. And the best part is anything you order with my Amazon affiliate links, I will make a commission off of those items. So be sure you check them out in the description box below. Let's get into this video. Winter essentials couldn't be more wonderful or magical. The first winter essential I have to share with you is a heating blanket. I love using them. I cannot avoid using them now because they are wonderful. They have made every single winter even more wonderful than I could have ever imagined. You have 6 levels of a heat setting on my heating blanket that I use. I had picked it up at Target and I couldn't be happier with my purchase. I love how perfectly it fits over the bed there, so I don't have any excess hanging off the edges of the bed, and makes it super comfy and cozy. I turn it on about 5 to 10 minutes before I get ready to get into bed, and my bed is all comfy cozy for when I am finished brushing my teeth and putting on my pajamas to crawl into a warm bed and have a wonderful night's sleep. The second thing I have to recommend for a winter essential is warm fuzzy pants. They are a must-have. I love wearing fleece pants. They make the winters absolutely wonderful, and they can be bought at amazing prices. I bought mine at Walmart. They are amazing, super comfy, and once you wear them, you will wonder why you've waited so long to get a pair, and then you'll want to get millions of pairs for your friends and family so they can enjoy comfy, cozy winters just as much as you do. The third thing that I have to share with you for a winter essential is hot cocoa. Hot cocoa is a must for the winter season. It makes the winters absolutely amazing, and who doesn't love hot cocoa with marshmallows and whipped cream? And it is amazingly simple to make on your own. I love making hot cocoa from scratch. I use a tablespoon of cocoa powder, a tablespoon and a half of sugar, and I mix that together. I will add a splash of hot water to get the cocoa and the sugar to mix and to make a paste. Then I will fill the cup up the rest of the way with milk, and I dump all that into a saucepan and heat it up until it is steaming but not boiling. Do not boil your hot cocoa. Then I pour it into the cup, add some freshly whipped cream, and sprinkle it with either some shaved chocolate or some cocoa powder. Either way you have it, it is sure to be a delicious hit and make your heart and your tummy absolutely happy. I hope these wonderful tips have helped make each and every winter that you'll experience even more wonderful. Comment down below what your favorite winter must-have essentials are. I'd love to know. Follow me on my social media. My Twitter is Comedy Addict. My Instagram is Comedy Creation. Check out my Amazon affiliate links in the description box below. I love using my Amazon Basics tripod. It makes filming fast, easy, and fun, especially because it comes with the beautiful carrying case to make it amazing for vloggers on the go. As well as I love using my SanDisk memory cards. They make it super easy to transfer your files from your camera or camcorder to your computer. They make it fast, simple, and fun. Make sure you check out both of them in my description box down below. The Amazon affiliate links will be down there, as well as my social media. Give this video a thumbs up. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, subbies, sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, subbies.